topic of the video is different types of animals and their uses. Animals are living creatures. Like all living things, animals also need air, water, food, and shelter to live. We find animals on land and water. Most of the animals are found in forest. Some animals can be seen in our neighborhood. Animals have some special body parts which help them in movement. Different types of animals. Wild animals. Animals that live in forest or are found in forest are called wild animals. Wild animals depend on the forest, plants, animals, etc. for food and shelter. Wild animals cannot be tamed or domesticated. Tiger, lion, wolf, bear, etc. are wild animals. Domestic animals. The animals which are useful for us and kept in farms or domesticated are called domestic animals. We get milk, eggs, meat, leather, etc. from domestic animals. Keep domestic animals in sheds or shelters made in the farms or outside the house. Cows, buffaloes, goat, camel, yak are some domestic animals. Pet animals. The animals that can be tamed and kept in our houses are called pet animals. Pet animals are the companion of family members. We make houses for our pet animals. We take care of our pets. We keep dogs, cats, parrots, pigeons, fishes as pet animals in our houses. Mammals. Those animals which do not lay eggs and give birth to the young ones are called the mammals. The mammals feed the young ones with their own milk. The body of the mammal is covered with hair called the fur. Some mammals have horns, tails, hoofs, etc. Bear, cat, lions, dogs, sheep, goat, whales are some mammals. Mammals like bear and lion live in forest. Whale is the mammal which is found in the sea or the oceans. Birds. Birds are the animals that can fly in the sky. Birds have two wings to fly. The body of the birds is covered with feathers. Birds have a beak which help them to dig, crack or eat the food. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. Birds have two claws. These claws help the birds to stand, move or hold. Birds have hollow and light bones. The light bones help the birds to fly. Birds are found on land and water. Birds like duck, swan live in water, while eagle, parrot, ostrich, etc. live on the land. All the birds lay eggs. Some birds like ostrich, emu, penguin, kiwi and unicorn have wings and feathers but they cannot fly. Their wings are small to help them to fly. Such birds are called flightless birds. Aquatic animals. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. Such animals eat the small plants and animals as food. Fishes, sharks, seahorses, whale, octopus, jellyfish are some aquatic animals. Fishes. Fishes are found in water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Fishes live and breathe in water. The body of the fish is covered with a thin, hard scale. Fish have fins on the side of the bodies. The fin at the end or the back of the body is called a fish tail. The tail of a fish is different from the tail of a mammal. Fish move with the help of scales and fins. Fishes breathe through the gills. They are present on both the upper side of the body. Gills are the breathing organs of the fish. Fishes are eaten as food and also kept as pet. Insects. Insects are small animals. The body of an insect is divided into head, a middle part, and the abdomen. Insects have 6 legs. Some insects do not have legs like earthworm, while some insects have more than 100 of legs like millipede. Most of the insects have wings and can fly. Insects like honeybee, butterfly, mosquito have wings, while bugs do not have wings. Some insects are useful and some insects like mosquitoes and bugs are harmful. Insects breathe through the tiny holes called spiracles present on both the sides of the body. Insects lay eggs while some insects crawl. Amphibians. Animals that can live both in water and on the land are called amphibians. Snake, tortoise, crocodile, hippopotamus, frog are amphibians. Snakes do not have legs. Only frog can breathe both in water and on the land. Reptiles. Animals whose bodies are covered with scale are called reptiles. Snakes, lizards, tortoise are some reptiles. Animals and their food habits. Herbivorous animals. Animals that only depend on plants, leaves, fruits, and grains are called herbivorous animals. Deer, cow, goat, pigeon, zebra, sparrow, parrot are called herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals. Animals that only eat the eggs, insects, and flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals do not eat plants or parts of plants. Some carnivorous animals are wolf, tiger, leopard, and lion. Omnivorous animals. Animals that eat both the plants, leaves, seeds, fruits, eggs, fish, or flesh of other animals are called omnivorous animals. Animals like dog, monkey, bear, etc. are omnivorous animals. Scavengers. Animals that depend on the dead animals for food are called scavengers. Scavengers eat the flesh of dead animals. Scavengers help to keep the environment and the forest clean. Vultures, hyenas are some scavengers. Uses of animals. Animals are very useful for us. We get meat, egg, milk, honey, silk, fur, etc. from the animals. We get fish oil from fishes like salmons, tunas, etc. Animals like ox, bullocks, and camels are used by farmers to plough the fields. Such animals are called farm animals. We use horses, camels, bullocks to draw the carts and carriages. Animals like elephants, horses, mules, donkeys are called beasts of burden. Such animals carry heavy loads. These animals are also the means of transport. We get silk from the silkworms and lac from the lacworms, honey from honeybees, wool from sheep. We get leather from the skin of dead animals. We use leather to make jackets, belts, bags, and shoes. We use fur of animals for making clothes, caps, gloves, etc. We also use venom of snakes to make medicines. We and animals. We should be kind to animals. We should not hurt or tease animals. We should take care of our pet and domestic animals. We should clean and wash our animals. We should save and protect the animals. That is all about the topic, different types of animals and their uses. Thank you.